Yeah, I just went through the messaging and structure workshop with Breelyn with effective presentations, and it was so important because everything is a presentation, whether it's a formal on-stage presentation or it's in a Zoom meeting or if it's just with your significant other. Being able to communicate more precisely and effectively is key, and having the structure is crucial. So I previously went through a workshop on how to use your body language, how to make your message stick better. And this was more about the actual structure and the frameworks of what to follow, how to think about it.
The content that we just learned during this presentation is what enabled me to more effectively communicate with my team of leaders, making sure that we are getting our point across effectively and we're all marching in the same direction, accomplishing the same goals.
I think for me the best part was probably the frameworks, as my mind constantly thinks in what is step 1, step 2, step 3, and now I have not just one but many different frameworks to use in multiple scenarios during my messaging.
And for me, I think I've been putting more effort into some of these presentations than is really needed. There's a simple structure that you can follow for every presentation that you are putting together and everything that we do in our day-to-day lives, where following these simple 7 steps is going to give me back a lot of time and also make the message that I'm trying to communicate to my team more effective. My name is Annie Broussard, and I'm a district manager for FedEx Office.
I would highly recommend this presentation if you're looking to get more from your communications in work, at home, just honestly in life. It's very, very valuable. So I would highly recommend this. My name is Ryan Lavander. I'm with Red Naval Consulting, and we help businesses with their analytics and experimentation.